Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. We're out in the shed, and it's Sunday, the last week of March, so whatever that date is, 2024. And I was out here in the shed and got the wood stove going. Come on. Hold on, I'll show you. We got the wood stove going. And it's hot. Very hot. Probably shouldn't use bare hands on that, but anyway, I'm gonna cook up some fried taters and some sausage patties. I don't have my tripod out here. I don't have anyone else out here to help me, so I'll do best I can with one hand. But also, I want to really thank all my subscribers. Thank everyone for sticking with me and watching these little piddly videos of mine. I really do appreciate it. I hope you get something out of it, either a laugh or most likely learn what not to do or how not to do it. But as long as you get something out of it, you know, just some sort of enjoyment or some sort of lesson, that would be great. Anyway, on to cooking, and trust me, it's going to be broke up into several little sections, so forgive me if it doesn't seem continuous, but thank you all. Appreciate you being here. Good morning. I'm out here in the shed now, cooking up some taters, and probably gonna have some sausage. It's thawing out over there, and no, that is not a beer I'm warming up. That is for my scented candle thingy, whatever. It's pine. My niece makes them up in Massachusetts. Very strong. Can't use this one in the house. It's a little too strong for everyone, but out here in the shed, it's nice. And the beer can is just the right height. No matter how hot I get the stove, that stuff won't burn or boil or catch on fire or boil over or anything. So it's just using that for just for a little bit of airspace. But anyway, time to get back to the taters. Alrighty, we're back in the shed with the taters. Since I'm using just old pine for wood, I'm just burning old pine here outside. It burns hot, it burns quick, and it is very hard to get this stove to a temperature where things just don't burn. So I had to raise the pan up off the stove a little bit. And yes, I know somebody's going to say, well, why didn't you just move it to the top? Well, the top is actually hotter. Heat rises. That's where all the hottest, that's actually the hottest part of the stove is right there on the top. So anyway, I just had to raise the bottom of that pan up off the actual stove top here a little bit. Get some air under it. And so it'll keep the heat, but it won't be quite so intense. And if you can hear, I mean, these things were sizzling. Let me get this out of the way. These things were sizzling like bacon, and I really don't want that, because they're raw potatoes, and I want them cooked fully. When it gets time, when they get done fully cooked, then I'll set it back down. I'll add butter, and I'll brown them up so they all have a nice little crispiness to the outside and soft on the inside. And still have to add the garlic too, because there's nothing worse than the taste of burnt garlic. Don't like burnt garlic. The onions are already in there. Don't tell the wife. But I chop them up so fine that usually they melt and disappear, but you still get the flavor. And that's the only way she'll let me put onions in the taters. But anyway, this is how we're going. We're doing good here. Time to flip them a little bit. And I don't have my tripod, and I don't have anyone here to hold the camera for me, so I don't know. Let me give it a try with one hand. Yeah, sitting on the sitting on these horseshoes, I don't know. Yeah, and I think I might have to put it down again. I think it is just so hard to regulate the heat when I'm using the damn pine for wood. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna have to let you go. I'll bring you back later. Alrighty, taters are just about done. I added the butter to them. Put it. They're back down on the full heat now. And just a couple minutes and the taters will be done, and then we'll do some sausage. Alright, now we're getting some sausage going, and yeah, let me go ahead and go take care of these. I'll bring you back. Alright guys, I'm going to call those sausage done, and you get them off the heat. And I'm going to go stuff my face. Sorry, I'm going to go stuff my face. Y'all have a good day. And I'll probably add to this video here in a little bit, but if not, I want to thank all my subscribers. I want to thank everyone. You guys are friggin' awesome. Thank you all for sticking with me. Thank you all for watching these videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. You all have a good day. Be safe. Take care.